Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. The journey continues. We're in the Sacramento River Delta. Yay! Just leaving Grand Island Mansion. Isn't that place cool? Weren't those bridges cool in the last video? There's a little, like day use place right up the road here. I'm gonna stop, let this fog lift, because it's still pretty early. Make me a cup of coffee. And then we'll go on from there. Holbrook or something like that. Anyway, it's a day use. Got a boat ramp here. No one's here. Right there's the river. Now this is actually part of the deep water channel here, I think. Pretty sure. Anyway, let me get parked. I'll walk around in a second. Show it to you. How does this bring back memories? The old water and the fog and everything else. My goodness. Look at it. Still a pretty place. The old van's doing pretty good. No fish jumping. You know, you can get sturgeon and salmon, stripers, all kinds of fish out of here. Catch a lot of logs too. A lot of debris floats down, driftwood, a lot of snags in your fishing lines, and you don't see it. It'll be floating underneath the water too, and then it'll take your hook. Alrighty, there's the van. So far so good. Solar's keeping up great. When it's cloudy like this, I just switch it over to the engine. The engine keeps the batteries up. I see a little blue sky too. Alright, let me check on something here. Yay, got coffee going. Gotta love it. Alright, let me make my cup of coffee and then we'll get on the road. I had to show you one more thing. Check this out. This is the SS RVerTV. Look at, anyone need a tire? What size you need? There's a half of an engine. Nice chunks of driftwood there. But this puppy's for sale. Look, depth finder. Ready to rock. Alright, enough goofing off, let's go. Had to show you that. Okay, we're almost cut back over to 160, and I think this is Ride, R-Y-D-E, I'm pretty sure. Yep. This is Ride, California. There's a hotel here. Used to be like a restaurant, hotel. Make a right. Yep, here it is up on the right. Ride Hotel. They got a little dock. Years ago you could stop there and go in and have breakfast. It was good. Alright, we're going to continue on down the road. Now we got some blue sky. Still got a few low foggy clouds there, but not bad. But once again, a very pretty drive. Nice windmill in that yard there. Looks a lot better when you got a little blue sky and sunshine. Okay, this is Isleton. This is the Isleton Bridge. Let's go across. Kept going straight. A lot of these roads turn into levee roads, but we're going to follow 160 right now. We're heading down to Rio Vista. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Big town of Isleton. There's a big grain facility here. Up here on the right, we'll drive past it. I'll drive through downtown here, Isleton. And there's the grains. I'm sure they still barge it out of here. But these places are old, old, old. I don't know how long. My goodness. Google it. Right. Sign said historic downtown. We'll make a quick drive through. Isleton, old place. I mean, everything's old here, like me, I guess. Old buildings. But there's pretty good sized community if you take all the workers and the farmers and everything around. This is probably a decent sized town for this area. Look at the brick building on the left. That's cool. Looks like they've remodeled a few of them. Looks good. Big old water tower straight ahead. Okay, there was your 12-cent tour of downtown Isleton. We're going to keep on going. We're going to head into Rio Vista, across, and then come back the other side. And this is the other part of town. Gas stations, another store. Quite a bit of traffic. Of course, Rio Vista, that's a busy, busy place too. Truckers really come through there. Back on the river, right on the right. We're gonna wind down through here. Look how low. The levee is way up. Look how low the houses are on the left. That's how high. You know, the tide really affects the river too. The river will go up and down several feet daily because of the tide. It's all tied in with the ocean there. Okay, you can see the river's getting wider. We're getting closer to Rio Vista. You can see the bridge off to the right. That's Rio Vista Bridge. Make a right up here. This is Highway 12. We're gonna get off 160. I think I don't remember. I'm pretty sure 12 will take you down like towards Oakland, that kind of area. Anyway, straight ahead is the Rio Vista Bridge. This is a big bridge. Once again, they all are operated. This thing goes up and down daily. Let big boats through. Now this is part of the deep water here, so the big barges and stuff will come out of Port of Sacramento. Long bridge. Years ago we used to bring a fishing boat and fish underneath the bridge here. Always went for sturgeon and whatnot. Oh no, traffic. Yeah, darn. Well, let's take a slow look at the bridge. Dagnabbit. Yeah, it's that time of morning. It's getting close to, what is it, 8:30. Well, they got painting scaffolding all over. Looks like they're painting the bridge. So, there's a side view. Boy, this thing shakes too. My goodness. You can just feel the vibration in this thing with all the traffic. There's a look up river. Okay, well, I'm gonna turn this off when we get to the other side. I'll Be fine. Well, that was almost a 15-minute wait. Look at all the big tarps. See it red? That's primer. They're painting this bridge. But I think this is just traffic. I bet someday they'll replace this thing, put in one of the big spanning bridges. But we're close to Oakland, Bay Area, all that. Okay, see that sign there? We're gonna head back up river. And we're gonna swing around. I'm not sure the number. I think it's 84. Route 84. I don't know. Google it. All I know is we're heading upriver on this road, back towards Sacramento. But it's a pretty good little tour. I mean, you got to see quite a bit. So let's head up here and see what else we can get into. No, we're running out of road. What are we gonna do? Oh no. A ferry! Yay! Do you think I planned this? This is a ferry. We're gonna take a ferry across the river, then head on back up to Sacramento. Isn't this cool? Not only do you go for a boat ride, so does me in the van. So we gotta wait. Only goes every 3 times an hour. Okay, here we are. We got about 10 minutes yet. What's the name of it? Rio McCoy to Ferry. J. Mac Ferry. That's up the river a little ways. That one's closed. So this is the only one operating. Hey, a motorhome. Check it out. Probably the operator. I bet he lives here. This is run by Caltrans, the state. Alrighty. You, me, and the van, we're going to go for a little boat ride. Free! Too funny. Alright, let me get back in the van. See you on the boat. Okay, here we go. Our ferry ride across the Sacramento River. Hey. This will be cool. I haven't done this in forever. Okay, I'll pull up behind this car. There's so much buoyance on this ferry, the cars don't even make it move. Alright, here's our boat ride. Hang on. All aboard. Okay, this is RVerTV Cruise Line. See what happens when I'm in this van too long? Away we go. Here we go. We're moving. Alright, the front end's starting to come down. We made it. I'm gonna sneak over here and get a drone shot of this thing too. cool is that? Now, how many boat rides do you get on YouTube with an RV channel yet? Not bad. Of course, I only had the van here too. All right, let me get pulled over. We'll get the drone up in the air and let's check it out. Maybe I can catch it before it gets over the other side. Up we go, and the wind is screaming, so I'm not going to go too high. There it is. There's going back across. Every 20 minutes it runs. It made it. Now it's on the other side. So there's no cost to it. Of course, your tax dollars and gas tax. Here's a quick look around. Look at all the fields. This is Ryder Island, I believe is the name of it. Huge agricultural area. Just beautiful, isn't it? Real McCoy Ferry. Check it out if you're down here. I hope you enjoyed your trip around the Delta down here a little bit. I enjoyed driving it. Look at the blue sky and clouds. The fog is gone. Yay! Alright, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below. Click the little bell icon to get notified of future videos coming up. Also, if you can, support the channel. Click the link. Buy me a cup of coffee. Buy a t-shirt. Amazon links. They're all down in the description. And that really helps. I really appreciate it. And thanks all for the ones that have already. Okay. Take care. Talk soon.